Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Elena, and today's video is going to be a flawless full coverage foundation routine. I'm going to be showing you all the products I've been loving to create this flawless beat skin. Yes ma'am, we are serving looks. So if you want to see all of my products that I like to use, then make sure to keep on watching. But hold on, wait a minute. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. And we're gonna go ahead and get right into this flawless full coverage foundation routine.
I just been balling out every season. No excuses, I left in the bleachers. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a 4 inside another league.
Okay, so we're gonna be doing my flawless full coverage foundation routine today. I'm gonna be sharing with you all of my current favorite products that I like to use during my foundation routine, as well as other products that I previously used before that I also enjoy. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into this routine. So the first thing when doing your makeup and wanting the application to come out flawless is you have to moisturize. Yes ma'am, it does not matter if you have oily skin, combo skin, normal, dry, you have to use a moisturizer that is geared towards your skin. So the moisturizer I've been using lately has been the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I love this so much because I have really dry skin, and this helps make my skin feel plump and keeps it moisturized through my application and throughout the day. So I like to apply this before I put on my foundation, and yeah, it's just a really good product and I really enjoy it. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this on my face, and I just get a scoop out and I just dot it all over my face, and then I just rub it in. So, and it just gives you just instant moisture to your skin, and I don't have any problems. It doesn't irritate my skin or anything. So I just apply that everywhere that I apply my foundation. Okay, so after I apply my moisturizer, then I like to go in with a primer. And I know a lot of people are kind of iffy about using a primer, but I personally think a primer makes a big difference when it comes to your makeup application. And I feel like you need to be using a primer that is geared towards whatever kind of skin type that you have. So y'all already know I have dry skin, so I personally look for hydrating primers. And the primer I've been loving currently has been the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This stuff is bomb. It literally keeps my makeup on for such a long time, and on top of applying my moisturizer, this adds even more hydration to my skin, which I need, and I feel like it does make a big difference with my foundation application. So this is the current one I've been loving, but also another primer that I've been using previously has been the Smashbox Primerizer, and this one is also geared towards adding hydration. As you can see, I am almost through this bottle, and I love this stuff so much too, and I really like this to add more hydration to my skin, and I feel like it goes on so smooth as well. So I'm going to be taking a pump of the Hydro Grip Primer, and then I just like to smooth that out all over my face. And with this primer, after you apply it all over your face, you will notice that it instantly becomes tacky. So that is going to help with the foundation sticking to your skin. So y'all can already see that we are hydrated and we are ready for our foundation application. So for foundation, I'm sure y'all already know, but my current favorite foundation that I've been using has been the Morphe foundation, and I'm in the shade F4.10. This foundation is a mattifying foundation as well as it is full coverage, but as you can see in my routine, routine, I prep my skin to be extremely hydrating. So when I apply this on my face, it is like the perfect combo to go on my skin because it just looks so gorgeous on. Y'all are going to see. But as well, it is so full coverage. If you are looking for a really good full coverage foundation, I highly recommend this product. I mean, when I put this on, it just looks so flawless, and I feel like that a lot of people made this product just so overhyped and stuff like that, but honey, it was not overhyped. This stuff is bomb. It is so good. I do not know why people are still not talking about this, because it is affordable and it is such a good foundation. So I love it, and I definitely will be purchasing this again. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into the application. Oh, and some other foundations that I typically like to use are the Huda Beauty foundation, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, the Fenty foundation, and the Hourglass foundation. Those are some other foundations that I like to switch up and use every now and then. Let me know if y'all would like to see like my top 10 foundations or my top 10 concealers, because I definitely have a lot to recommend to you guys. So let me know in the comments if you would like to see that. So when applying this product, I literally just put it on my face right from the tube. So I just come over here and I make sure it is down, it's not gonna squirt everywhere, and I just literally just draw it on my face. And I don't like to put a lot on my forehead. I just kind of work it around towards my forehead so it's not a lot of product up there. But that is your personal preference, but I don't. Foundation brush I like to apply this foundation with is the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill, the JH03 brush. And honey, excuse the fact that this brush is dirty and nasty. We are going to wash it soon, but right now we're just gonna ignore it. We're gonna move past it. We're just gonna get into applying it. So I just like to do some patting motions when it comes to applying this foundation, because I feel like that is the best way to get the most coverage when using this. And like, look at this, instant full coverage. Like, do you see this coverage on this foundation? And it doesn't feel heavy or anything. It is like extremely lightweight, and it doesn't feel like you have any foundation on. And that's what I really like about this foundation, is that it literally doesn't feel like anything's on my skin. So I just pat this on. And if you're using a brush that does leave streaks on your face, then just make sure to go back in with your beauty blender and just press over the foundation so you don't have those streaks. But with this brush, I do not have any streaks, so I don't have to worry about that at all. So okay, come through, full coverage. Yes, ma'am, Morphe. This foundation is just so beautiful on the skin, and I just love how flawless it is. And as you can see, my skin does not look dried out or anything by this foundation. You can still see the luminosity underneath the foundation from the primer and the moisturizer that I was using. So yes, that is what you do if you want to be able to use a mattifying foundation and you have dry skin. You have to make sure you are prepping your skin for the foundation, as well as having a good skincare routine and making sure to exfoliate your skin. And I will be filming a skincare routine, so if that video might be up before this one. So if it is, go ahead and go check it out. It's going to be linked up above. I'm going to put a card up for you guys. So definitely make sure to go check that out so you can see what products I've been using to keep my skin clear and hydrated. So for concealer, this concealer, I literally just bought it, but I'm obsessed with it so much, and I do not know why I slept on this concealer for so long, or even this brand, because I didn't try out this brand until this product. But it is bomb, and I don't know why nobody is still talking about this concealer either. Like, it is such a good full coverage concealer, and I am obsessed. And it is the Jouer high coverage concealer. This concealer is so freaking good. I cannot stress that to you. It is full coverage, and it just looks so flawless when you set it, and you, oh my god, you guys, it just looks so good. And so many more people need to be talking about this. I'm obsessed. If you have not tried this, I promise you, you are going to love this product, and a little bit goes a long way. You do not need that much of this to get the coverage, because it is definitely there. So some other concealers that I do like to use also if I'm switching out my routine is the Fenty concealer, and this is in 370, as well as the Born This Way concealer, and this is in Butterscotch. These are also two concealers that I definitely recommend and love and swear by. So yes, if you haven't tried any of these, definitely check these out as well. But we're going to be using the Jouer concealer for today's video because it is my current favorite, and it is freaking good, y'all. So I just take it. This is what the wand looks like, and I just like to apply it underneath my eyes. So I just like to apply that underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, as well as my chin. And I've been using this Sonia Kashia sponge, which is bomb. You can get 2 of these for $10, and it is freaking humongous. But I just love how this blends out my concealer. So I don't let this sit. I just go ahead and go right in, and I just start blending it out. And as you can see, the coverage is there, sweetie. Okay, and that is it blended out. Y'all, my skin looks amazing. I love this product so much. Okay, so that is the concealer blended all the way out. And yes, we are serving full coverage over here. You cannot see my skin. It looks freaking bomb, y'all. Every time I apply this combo on, I literally look at my skin all the time because it looks so flawless, and I'm obsessed with this combo. If you try this out, you are going to be like, dang girl, my skin is looking good today. So we're gonna go ahead and get into setting this. So I have been using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Yes, I went back to her. She is my favorite. She is an OG. We love her. But I also switched between using the Fenty powder as well, and I have the shade Honey, so I just kind of go back and forth. But lately I've been back to using Laura Mercier for a little bit. So I like to take a brush, and I've been using the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill JH03 brush, and I like to just dip into my powder first, dust it off, go back in with my beauty sponge, tap out any creasing underneath my eyes, and then I like to set it. And I just like to tap the powder into my skin, and I feel like that is the best way to get the application of the powder for anybody that has dry skin, for it to look really good. I like to apply it with the powder so it does not look cakey and my skin does not dry out. So we're going to go in with the other side, tap out any creases, and then we're going to set it. And then I take whatever's left over and I set my chin, and I just tap my nose as well. Okay, so everything is set, and y'all, skin is on a 10, ma'am. Like, period. So we're gonna go ahead and just put on the rest of our products. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and I've been using for bronzer the Fenty Beauty Cocoa Night bronzer. I know y'all, if you haven't already seen my review on this, but this is the bronzer I've been using, and I've really been loving it so far. And I like that it is buildable, so you can apply as much as you need. So I just go in and I kind of just apply it wherever I think the sun hits the face the most. So just around my chin, on my cheeks, and then I apply it on my forehead. So we're just going to lift up our headband and get that forehead bronze. Okay, and now we have some color to our skin. We are starting to look like ourselves. So next I'm gonna go in with the Buxom Wonderlust blush in Ibiza, and this is the shade. This stuff is pigmented, so you only need just a little boop and put it on, because they were not playing when they come out with these blushes. Honey, they are full coverage, so you just need to tap it off. For highlight, your girl has been obsessed with the So Hollywood loose highlighter. This stuff is bomb, and oh my god, like, I love this so much. You only need a little bit and tap it off. I mean, come through. What? Like, girl, she's there, she's popping, she is thriving, and I'm here for it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my eye makeup, and then we're gonna come back on, do my lips, and then we're going to be done with our full coverage flawless foundation routine. Oh yes, honey, skin looking so good right now. Oh yes. So I will be right back. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to be using the Kylie True Brown K lip liner and lining my lips with this. Now we're going to be taking the Almay lipstick in the shade Never Regret and applying this on my lips. It is like this nudie brown color. And I really love these lipsticks. They are so comfortable on the lips, as well as they are really pigmented. And I just love this combo. Oh yes, nude lip. Okay, so let me do something about this hair real quick, and then I will be right back. So this is the final look for my Flawless Full Coverage Foundation routine, and I am obsessed with this so much. I just love how flawless and full coverage it is. I wear this all the time, and y'all, it never gets old. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Definitely make sure you are hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Come join the family, come rock with your girl, and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. And let me know in the comments, what are some of the products you like to use when you are doing your foundation routine? I would love to see or know some other recommendations that I can use in my routine as well. So make sure you are commenting below, as well as make sure to check the description box so you can see all the products that I have linked, and the products that I did not mention in this video, I will also have those linked below. So definitely make sure you're checking the description box. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.